Westonka Public Schools is at its best when we work together in support of our students. On March 14th, you're invited to join us for a presentation of Westonka's Comprehensive Facilities Review. The evening will provide an opportunity for the public to give input on questions that we have carefully examined, including, how can our facilities incorporate best practice safety standards? How can we improve the design of our over 50-year-old high school to enhance the learning environment and increase functionality, safety, and pride? And finally, what are the significant maintenance needs of our school facilities across the district? Westonka takes pride in our best-in-state performance while maintaining the lowest school taxes in Hennepin County. We believe by improving our facilities, our students will achieve greater success. Your ideas and input are valued, and we hope that you'll join us on Tuesday, March 14th at 7 p.m. at the Westonka Performing Arts Center as we collaborate on how best to advance Westonka Public Schools.